Today's the day, guys. Harvest 2020. Off to the races. We're getting her opened up now. We got the other end buzzed off. Got some trucks in here. Got unloaded. I'm headed down to the far end. Gonna try getting this other hydro shelled off. That way we can do some yield calibration checks on these combines. Some of our smaller trucks. Make sure they're relatively accurate for documentation purposes. But these yield monitors are anywhere close. So far, corn's been pretty good, and I'm on the outside where we've got some compaction real bad. She's coming in though, running about 20% moisture, 20.5. Ain't too bad. This field of corn right here beside us should actually be drier, but I guess we'll see when we get to that. But 20 ain't bad. We can try that pretty easy without taking too much time. We're gonna keep on plugging here, get this Endro knocked off. There's the first 50 acres down. Unloading. Well, we started this 33 acre field. It's got super long rows in it. I guess this is where a cart would be nice. We're shelling halfway down, deadheading that pass, and then shelling all the way back. So it takes a little time, but really don't matter. About 3 o'clock, it's 3:41 now. Roger called and said the dryer was pretty well backed up, so we're about to overload the dryer and grain bins. So we're just middling now, basically. We're just gonna keep getting after it. Get them while you can. This one won't last long. Well, trucks are full. We're waiting. We've got a batch coming off on the dryer in about 10 minutes. We'll open up 2 more trucks. We're gonna go ahead and finish this. We just got 16 short rows here and 3 leftover rows all the way down the field. He's gonna pick them up. We're gonna move down here and get this other field opened up for tomorrow. Get all the combines moved and stuff, and take the trucks home and call it an evening because we got everything loaded. Now we're still shelling, but this is it right here. Last pass for today. It's about 7 o'clock. We finally got up the dryer again. We got the batch off at about 5:30. But it must have came off earlier than I thought. So we got 2 more trucks out of that gig. We got the last truck loaded up here. Getting ready to take it home. You can see that. We're getting ready to shut down for this evening. I guess we'll get back at it tomorrow. Got about 100 acres in today, so that ain't too bad for starting it. on them guys when we get back. I'm gonna go home and get me a bite to eat. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.